my channel. Lentils or dal is a kind of staple in any kind of Asian cuisines. And my today's recipe is dal tadka, a simple dal made in a tasty way. So let's look into the ingredient list now. The first ingredient is of course some lentils or dal, and today I am using yellow pigeon pea dal or tur dal 1 cup. Along with it I am also using some masoor dal, half cup in quantity. So what I have done is I have washed the dals thoroughly and soaked them overnight, but you can soak from 2 hours to maximum you want, and then I have pressure cooked it with little bit of salt, turmeric powder and a teaspoon of oil. And this is how my dal should look once it's boiled. Next I have 1 onion finely chopped, about 7 cloves of garlic finely crushed, about an inch of ginger again crushed, 1 tomato finely chopped again, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, and about 3 green chilies finely chopped. Next, for the spices I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, some salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. And for the tempering I need 2 dry red chilies, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is mainly for the color and not the heat. And I'll be cooking my dal in desi ghee or clarified butter. Some ginger juliennes for garnishing. So let's start preparing dal tadka. For that I am going to add in about 2 tablespoons of ghee in my pan. You can prepare this in oil too, it's completely up to you. Once the ghee heats up, I am going to add in the cumin seeds to it. Allow the cumin seeds to splutter. Next I'll add in the grated garlic along with the chopped onions. And we'll cook the onions and garlic till it turns a little bit brownish in color. We take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the onions have started turning slightly brownish in color. At this point, I am going to add in the chopped green chilies along with the grated ginger. A quick mix, and goes in the tomatoes now. I'll also add in some salt so that the vegetables cook quick. Next goes in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and finally the dried fenugreek leaves. Mix everything well and we'll cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes till the oil starts separating from them. It's been about 3 minutes now, and as you can see, the oil has started separating at the corners. At this point, I am going to add in the boiled dal. And as you can see, the dal is really very thick. I am going to add in some hot water, about 2 cups. Mix everything well and we'll cook this till it comes to a boil. As you can see, my dal has come to a boil. I'll give a quick mix and I'm going to switch off the gas now and sprinkle in the coriander leaves. A quick mix with it again. Our dal is ready now, but we'll continue with the tempering of the dal. For the tempering, heat up a small pan and I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Next, I'm going to add in the dry red chilies along with the cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, and finally the red chili powder. And I'm going to switch off the gas now and pour it on top of our dal. And immediately after adding in the tadka, we are going to cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes so the flavors of the spices are infused into the dal. It's been 15 minutes now and my dal tadka is ready. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves on top and some ginger juliennes. My dal tadka is ready and today I am serving it with some jeera rice. And friends, I have a recipe of this jeera rice in a rice cooker in a very simple and easy way. click on the above link or I'll add one in the description box below. And on that note, I am going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.